Hello guys, so back again with another video. So in this video we will build Pokedex app using React Native. So I just found this best resource or best UI design by Flavio Faris, and the good thing about this is he made this design open source, means we can access this design in Figma. If you want this design or Figma link, then what you have to do is first check his Behance post. Then if you scroll down here, you will get his Discord channel link. And in that you have to go to Pokedex channel, and at the very top you will get a Google form. I think Google form link is not available. Okay, so Google form. So if you fill your email there, you will get this Figma link. And this is absolutely good because if you check here, we can see everything from font, typography to color combination to background colors, even icons, everything is here. Okay, so we can design this. So let's start. So first of all, I'm having this project, React Native project as Pokedex, and currently it is just empty, just a hello world, as you can see here. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to make this design, and again I haven't tried this design, so let's try together. So let's start. So what we need first, let's go and check which font he is using. So if we go to his style guide, maybe here, okay, let's go to inspect, not inspect, okay, inspect. Okay, so he is using SF Pro display font. So let's check. SF Pro display font. So let's download that font. Let me just do this thing. Okay, we need this Figma. We don't need anything for now. Okay. SF Pro font regular. Okay. So let me just check. There is another link that we can get. SF um, SF Pro font entire family. Okay, family. Let's try SF Pro font. This is entire family. Okay, this is good. I think so. Yes. So let's go with this. So let me just download this. Download a zip file. Okay, zip file is downloaded. So let me just take that fonts to our folder, Pokedex folder. So here you can see this. Okay, so I will create one folder here as src is src, and another folder which is assets. So in okay, I think we have to make this folder inside of src. So in assets I will add another folder which is fonts, and inside of fonts I will paste wait a minute, I will paste these fonts. Okay, now if we go back here, what I have to add here is, okay, we need to add a color also. So let's set up our project. So what we need to add is colors. Okay, so first of all we have to set up our project, then we will design, because when we have all the resources locked, then we can easily do design. Okay, so in src, currently in assets, we have to add in assets. Okay, in assets we have to add colors dot js. So yes, in color.js I have to export default as object, and we just need those colors. So I will say here bug, because this is color for bug, and I will write here color code, which is this. I think wait a minute, what happened? Copy, paste. Okay, so what I will do, I will fast forward this process. Okay, so we are back and we fill this. Okay, so I will change this something here, because these color depend on the type and these are background, so we need two colors. So what I will do is I will say here const colors. Okay, colors as equal to this, and again I will do here background color is equal to this. Okay, and at the end we will export this as colors comma background color. Okay, so again I will fast forward this because I need to fill background color. So background colors are also filled, and these background colors we are not, means as a designer we have to take, but for now we are just what you can say, we are just neglecting them, these background colors only. Let's add a text color. Okay, so for a text color we can say here a text const as a text color. Okay, so That's it. Hide short, hide medium. Okay. These are button, these are text fields, these are icons. Okay. So let's try and see. Okay. So what we will do, we will go to our Figma file, which is Pokedex, and we will start with this screen. So I know there is background image out there, but for now let's try to add background image. Okay, let's try. I don't have any idea how to add this image with this much opacity. Okay, so let's try. I need that image first, so let's go to these are components. Okay, uh, not this, not this. Hmm. So where is that the pattern? I think this one. Are we using this anywhere? Let me just check. Mm, yes, we are using this. So if we just look closely, then you can see here these dots, and this is image. Okay, and this is the same image. So we are using that image. So let me just export Pokeball, preview, export. Get Pokeball. Now I want this. Export, export. Okay, looking decent. So let's grab those images in our let's create another folder here as images. So let's go, let's keep this here. Okay, as you can see here we have this image, so I will export this. Great. So we have this image. Yes, Pokeball is there, and I have downloaded this too. So we will add these two images in our images folder. So Pokeball is there, which is primary, but Pokeball 1, let me just show you how images are looking like. So yes, Pokeball 1 means the background card image, so I will say Pokeball card. I think I should rename this as Pokeball underscore card with P capital. Pokeball underscore card. This is header. Pokeball header image, or you can select header. So I will add just header, and this is normal, this is normal. So I will add as dots. not bots, dots. And the another thing is this. So let's export that too. Okay. Again, I will go here and add this, and I will say here add dots card with D capital. Okay, so images are looking great. Okay, so let's start with design. So I just want to kind of shrink. Okay, so I want my mobile here. Okay, let's keep this side by side. Okay, and I want my editor to be here. Boom. So first of all, I need to change this. Let me just do one thing. Let's export this here first, and let's go to app.js, and I will add here, as you can see, hello world, so it is running. I will add here status bar. So I want status bar in app. There is nothing, so I will add text as hello. Nothing was written on render. Okay, sorry. Okay, hello. So status, I want background color to be colors dot. Okay, so here is one problem. Okay, not a problem actually. We can say here as a text color. So sometimes we have to change. So we can say here like white. Okay, but now as you can see, my all things are gone. Means all the things. So I want another property which is bar style as dark content. Okay, and view as flex style flex 1 and background color as text color. I know it is a bit of weird that I am giving text color to this, but yes, sometimes we have to do that. We can change if we want to, but it is okay. Okay, now you can see it is looking good. So let's go to my src and let's add here another folder as a components. components, another folder as in src as screens. Okay, so this is my home screen, so I will add here home screen.js, and again I will use rnfes React Native function. Okay, and in that what I have to do is, first of all, I need this as a background image, so let's do that. But before that I have to import this here home screen. So currently in home screen there is nothing, so I will say Pokedex. Okay, as you can see Pokedex there. Now I want background image, so I will say image background from React Native, and inside of that we want this thing. So as you can see, the error is undefined is not an object. So what it required is, first of all, source. Okay, so source we have to import from assets, in assets images, and images name is header, Pokeball header. So I will give the same name here as Pokeball header dot png. So we have to give some style here as width 100%, height maybe 200. So let's check. Okay, as you can see here, so looking perfect I think, but we can't give height like this. We have to always give height in terms of, not always, but when it comes to height like this, we have to give height depending on the device width. So in assets I will add another file which term as constants.js, and here I will import dimensions from React Native, and dimensions.get screen. Okay, and this will gives me two things. First one is width, second one is height. Okay, and so I will export those things from here, so I don't need to import every time. So export width comma height, and let's go to home page. Height is something, height divided by 4 maybe. Yes, it is okay. looking decent, but as you can see this image is covered, so I think I have to give resize mode as cover or contain, yes, contain. Okay, now as you can see this is header. This is 32 pixel, 700. This is sub, this is 26. So I need this, I have to give style to this. What we will do, in src I will create another folder as styles, and in styles I will add a common styles.js, and again I will say style sheet here, which is imported from React Native. Style sheet.create, and as always I will export default this thing as first of all heading. As you can see here, font size is 32 and font weight is 700. So font size is 32 and font weight is 700. And we will give this heading to home screen styles, or style is equal to common styles dot heading. So as you can see here, we can't give font weight in integer, we can give this in this format. So yes, it is looking great, and color is also black, so I don't think I just have to import color as colors dot or text color dot black. Okay, looking decent, but the font is different, and I think we can check font. Let's check font now. So how to add font in React Native? So let me just check once. So check here. First I have to get those files in our app assets font. Okay, after that what we have to do is we have to simply add this file as React Native config. So let's do that. What is the file name? React Native config. Okay, React Native dot config dot js. Boom, and I will add this here. But my fonts are not in this folder. My fonts are in different location, are at different location. So I will go like this. In src, in assets, in fonts, we have everything. So fonts, and after this what I have to do is yarn React Native link. So let's do that. Let's stop our server first and add this. Okay, so linking is completed, successfully linked. So if let's check if we get fonts or not. How to check? First, in Android you have to go to app. In app you have to go to src. In main, in assets, here we will get fonts. Yes, so fonts are added. After that we have to run this app again, and just have to go to our styles, and I will add here style as const font family is equal to this. So my first font family is, I will add here font family as not these two, but as let me just check the name. In assets, in fonts, okay, sf pro display, sf pro display. I think if this is bold, then you can say this as bold. Bold. So I have to just check if it is working or not. So I will go here, extract this as font family dot bold. Did something change or not? So we have to check if Foundation Pro. So I don't think it is applied because E is not the same. So let's add this line and check. Let's go to home screen we will copy this content and add here as text. I think it is applied, as you can see here. Font is applied. You can see here at E. Font is applied, but I don't know why it is not applied at Pokedex at Poke. Maybe I have to go to here, and maybe I don't have to say anything here. No, but here it is applied, here it is not. It is okay for now. Or okay, because ultimately we are using same text component. So I need to add these icons. So download these icons in SVG format. Okay. What can I write? Filter. Okay. Import from. So I know that in images we have, okay, in assets we have icons. In icons we have suppose if I say generations dot svg, and this generation will be like this generation. So let's try to add that here. Is it working? Let's give width. Yes, it is working. Hey guys, see this. It's working. So we are getting these icons. That's what we needed. Okay. So can I change color? Shape 00. Polygon fill current color. So if we go to home screen and apply style here as color is red. No, still not. Because if you check here, you can clearly see we are passing here color. So either all this should be current color, Okay, now it is working. So we got it. What we have to do is we have to change this to current color. And if I give her black, okay. Now if I remove this, then icon is not there. This is looking great now. Okay, so what we did here is we go to the icon and replace the color with current color. So we have to do this for every icon which we want colored. Okay, so generation icon. So let's check the icon. I don't think we need this icon as colored icon, so we can remove this and set as it is. But we want bug icon as a colored icon, so I will say here fill as current color. Or okay, so if we go to home screen and if we set color here as fill to be red, no. So yes, we don't need this. So let's go to bug and add a current color. Current color, current color. So I will replace this with every file. So let's search for this fill current color. Or none, where we have to say this. So replace all, and we need to change this color to current color. So again I will say replace all, replace all. So boom. Now if we want check this icon is gone because we need to give color there. So let's go to home screen and say here fill as red. Now a color as red maybe. Okay, so color as red. But we know that we want black color itself, so I will say text color dot black. Okay, so let's check our design. If we go to Pokedex, we want three icons which are sort and filter. So let's add those. So we will add sort and that icon too. So sort and filter. Okay. So we want these icons to be in horizontal way. So let's add this here. And as you can see here, we need some padding. We need some padding, and this is header. So everything will be inside of this view, and here we will give style as container, common style dot container. So let's go to common style first, and I will add here container as padding 20. Padding 20. So let's do this thing. Okay, which here okay, so this is looking decent. Now I want my icons to be horizontal, so for that I will add a style or row, where I can say flex direction to be row, and another thing which is align atoms center. So we will use this row to these icons. So I will add here styles. Style is equal to common style dot row. So as you can see here, we need some padding. So for that we have to add this icons inside of something. So I will create one file here in components as icons, icon.js, and icons are nothing but we need here touchable without feedback. Okay, touchable without feedback, and inside of that we need that icon. Yes, inside of that we need icon. So I will say here children, and children will be from this set. So, and we have onPress method, which is onPress, and obviously we can give some style here. Style. If you want to add style, you can add. But for now, I want some style as icon. Style icon, which is padding. Say padding horizontal 10. So I will add this as a styles dot icon comma. This is okay. So let's go back to my home screen. Let's add here icon from our library, and we can have icon like this. Okay, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So yes, icons, but we want icons to be aligned here, means at the left. So for that we need to use that style. So we will go style as flex direction, justify content, flex end. Okay, and I want margin top or margin vertical to be 10. You can see slightly below, so we can give margin as 20. Okay, this is looking good. Now we want this color. This color is gray. So wait a minute, gray plus 16 pixel. So let me go to my common style, heading, let's say font weight bold. So I can let's remove this font weight bold. Okay, so I will say here subheading as 16, and this will be a gray. So let's go to home screen and add a style here, style, common style dot subheading. Okay, so we don't need this to be bold. So okay, I'm looking this end. Now let's try this up. So this is search box, so basically an input box. So what we have to do, we have to go to here, create input.js, and we can say here rmfs. Again we can say here text input React Native c dot props. Okay, we need props, and here also we are excluding those props. So if we go to home screen, and if we add here search button, which is input, okay, there is input. Okay, so we can give here placeholder as what is Pokemon are you looking for. Okay, I think if my search box is like this, yes, then let's go and do this. We can say here style as styles dot search or style dot input background color is equal to, so this is grayish color default input. So we have to go to colors or const default is equal to, not default, custom colors is equal to input so you can say custom colors dot input okay. So yes, we have to give border radius to be 10, border radius be 10. Now we want that search button over there, so I don't have any idea how to do that, so let's goes first here and do this purchase view, and inside of this view I want search input, so I will give some style here and styles is equal to margin vertical 10, I don't have idea why this is not working. Let's try with padding vertical. Okay, got it. Why it is not working? Because I give styles. This style. Yes, we can say 15 also. Okay, so how to add this search icon over there? So let me just check. So there is a way we can add this simply by saying icon here. So we need another icon, which is search icon. So where is search icon? Where is search icon? Did I download that search icon? Not PNG, SVG. Okay, what happened? Pokedex.zip. Okay, let me just go to my guide and go here. I will say search and export. Copy, paste, and we will rename here as a search. So search box, where we go. This is mobile, and now we want search box. Search. Search. So for now I will give that color, but I know that color is different. So let's go to my Pokedex, and here you can see color as gray. Okay, so as you can see, I have to go to search icon, and I have to say current color, and here I have to say current color. Okay, this is looking decent. So as you can see, I give this style here, so I don't want to give this style here. We will give this style in home screen, where styles dot. Okay, so you can say here as dot search container container zip15. Wow, great. That's it. Looking decent and great. Can I change the placeholder color? Let's try. I think we can change. So this color is gray. Placeholder text color. So we have to go to here and say text color dot gray. So yes. Okay, so let's start with this card. Okay, so what we have to do here is first let's go to our VS Code. Okay, in VS Code we will add a component. Suppose yes, so we will add a component as not screen component as a card.js. Okay, and here we will say card. Let's go to home screen. At the end of this we can say card multiple times. Can't find variable card. Okay, let's import this. Okay, now you can see here cards. So this card inside of this view. Okay, so first of all we need to go, wait a minute. So first of all we need this Bulbasaur, so, or you can say Pokemon. So let me just grab the URL where you can get the perfect Pokemon. So got it. So this is Pokemon URL 1.png. Okay, so this will give us a Bulbasaur. Let's try by styling out this card. So first of all we have to go here and here add to open a card component, and in card component I have to style here as a style is equal to styles dot card. And you can say the card as I need to give background color, so I will say background. Why I'm giving background color? Because background color is dynamic, so I will give background color as background color. Why you are not giving me suggestions? Because I want to import background color. Yes, styles.card. So currently there is nothing accepted. Let me just go to colors, and as you can see, these are background colors. Okay, background colors dot. This is grass type Pokemon, so I will say grass, or I will say grass like this. Okay, because this part will be dynamic. Okay, now we want margin vertical to be 10, then padding to be 10. So let's check the border radius is also 10. Border radius is also 10. Okay, we want this part here. Okay, and this is Bulbasaur. Okay, so this is the background image, and above that we have this, and this is one part. So we will divide this card into two parts, left and right. Okay, so part will be like this. View, this is left part. Here we have text #001 Bulbasaur. Okay, and tags. So I think this there's Bulbasaur. Let's check the Bulbasaur. It is 26. Okay, 26. So let's go to common style and add here another which says 26, and you can select title and white. Sorry, common style dot title. Now we want that to be bold, so we will go here and say font family bold. Okay, looking decent. Title is 12 pixel and black. Number is same 12 pixel and text color number. I think text color number we have to convert that to RGB. So let's go to color and we will replace that. Okay, so number, and we go back to card, then we can say here style as common style dot number. Okay, we want some bold, so we will add a bold. Okay, so I think if you go back to card, then I think we need more padding. Okay, now we want this image. First we want this okay, those background images, let's do that later. Now I want a image. Okay, which is source, S-O-U-R-C, source from URI, which is equal to this. Okay, so we need to close this. Reload. Okay, so let's give some style. Style is equal to styles dot image width 100, height 100. So this is just a basic. Okay, so we are getting transparent, so this is very good. So if you look at this, so we just need to add our common style as a row. And we can say here align atom. Okay, actually we don't need to give here like this. We can say simply select direction to be row. Maybe we just have to lower this to 80. I don't think so. Let's keep it 100 and check later. Okay, let's keep this 100, and what we can do here is we want this image to be at extreme right. So let me just add one view outside of this. So we can say here as image container. So style is equal to styles dot image container. So with the help of image container, we can say position as absolute, okay, and I want this to be at right 0, okay, top -10, okay, maybe -20, okay. And as I know, we will have some text here, so this will look something like this. Oh, at the end we can increase margin vertical to 15 or maybe 12. Okay, so this is looking great. Now we need these two tags, so for that we will write another component here as tag.js, which is rnfs, so tags. So for now we can say here type tag. So I will say here style as common style dot, not common style actually, styles dot tag. So we can write something like this: tag is equal to border radius of 5 with background color as background colors dot type, okay. Not background color this time, Mitesh. These are colors, so I will say colors, okay, and we can say colors. What happened? Okay, now I have to do something like this. Okay, so I will go to card, and here view, in view I can say style as common style dot row, and here we can say tag, okay, 2. So first one is type is equal to grass, and second type is equal to poison, okay. So I will go ahead and say style is equal to color is equal to text color dot white, margin right 5, padding 5. Text transform capitalize. Okay, so I will say margin top to be 5, okay. I think we just have some more padding top, so we do. Okay, and the another thing is the icons. So grass and poison. So how to show that icons? Icon not from React Native. I want icon from just customize icon. So icon, don't have idea. I think icon is from here itself. Yes, icon. So I can say import icon from icon, and inside of icon, depend on the type we want. Okay, so is there a way we can structure this? So let me just check. Okay, so what I will do here is simple as that. I will go to icon, then I will write her name. Okay, if there is name, or if there is name, then I want that component. Icon, or can select an enter icon, okay. Else I want children. Okay, so for now render icon is nothing, so I have to say const render icon, and we will use switch statement. Okay, so let is equal to random icon, then switch statement, and I will pass name. Okay, then we have case. If case is grass, then I will say a render icon is equal to grass grass. Okay, and then break, and then I will say case, because here I can say color as colors, or you can select text color dot white, default I will say icon as not grass, so let's check another icon. Dark dot svg, so you can say dark, and you can say dark. So for now I will go here to tag children is nothing, and I will write name as grass. Wow, wow, it is working. I think I just need to restart. Okay, you can see here icons. Okay, I think we can give width and width is equal to maybe 20, and height is equal to maybe 20. Okay, we can give height and width. Yeah, just where to say here width and height. So if we go here and say width is equal to this width, height is equal to this height. Okay, so let's go to tag and make this 10. Okay, so this is looking decent. Padding is 2. Okay, and we want tag as row, so dot common style dot row. Okay, so I think something really went wrong. Okay, so this style, so we have to give style here as padding horizontal. Let me just copy paste that. Padding horizontal to be 0. Okay, 0. Are you working? Let me just check. This is style. This is style. So yes, it should be like this. So now you can see Yes, well. So let's go to tag. So what? Let's make this padding 5 and check how it looks. No, I think we should give this 2. Or make this 5 again. And what we can do here is the text. I will say margin left to be 2. Okay, and border radius is not 5, it is 3 or 2. Okay, now it is looking something like that. Means okay, looking good. Okay, so I just want to make another which is poison type. So let me just check we have poison icon or not. You can add icon as you want, as I show you. Okay, but for now I will use this for poison also. And what I will do here is, let me go to cards, not cards, go to my home screen, and here I will write Pokemons const Pokemons as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 Pokemons. I want 6 Pokemons here like this. Pokemons dot map Pokemon. Okay, and here I will add card. Okay, and now I want this to be scroll view. So let's make this scroll view and check if we are scrolling or not. Okay, what went wrong? Okay, so okay, let's make this view itself. Okay, we want scroll view. Actually we don't want scroll view, we want flat list, because there are number of Pokemons, right? You can't just we don't want to load everything at a time. So for that we will use flat list. So flat list, and as you can see here, data as Pokemon. I know we have to add a render item which is card. Let's remove this. What happened? Style flex 1. Item container style as flex1. No, not working. So let's remove this. Okay, fine. Okay, if it is not working, then okay. So we will go here and add this. Okay, now it is all rolling, but we want some padding, so we'll add view, and the view will be same as this. So container style, and in that we will have this blacklist. I want container style to be flex1, or what you can say, flex grow 1. Okay, I'm unable to scroll. I'm unable to scroll this. Why? Why? What is the reason behind this? Maybe this view. Okay. So now it is scrolling. So we remove this external view, and we don't want this slider. Okay, means that indicator, vertical indicator as false. So we are not getting. Okay, so item. So I will pass this data item as item card. So let me just console log this, console.warn this, not log, because we don't have any data there. So I will say item six. Okay, so what I will do is we will concat here as item. Okay, so I know this is bulb, this is Charizard and everything. So let me just check if I can get data. Okay, so I know Poke API, so we are following first design. So Poke API, so I just want data only. Poke API. I don't think this is possible. Means, well, this is possible, but currently we don't have such data. So maybe I have to give this manually, or we can just assume that. Or what we can do here is, we know this is grass type. Okay, so if I say if so for now I will write some conditions to make such a look. Okay, so I would write type as, currently type is nothing. If item is greater than 1 2 3, so if item is greater than 3, then type will be fire. Currently type is grass, and similarly I will write type here. Okay, now you can see the change in color. Okay, again if you want type here. Okay, so if we go here, I think, let me just check which icons we have already downloaded. Okay, so I'm not downloading any other icon now. So dark is there, dragon is there. Okay, let's download one icon, fire, for now. Okay, so let me just go to this part, fire. Okay, export fire svg, export. So downloads, copy fire, and I will paste that fire in my project Pokedex, search assets, icons, fire, and we will give color to that fire, means current, wait a minute, current color, current color to fire. Okay, so yes, now what I will do is I will go to icon, I will import here fire, fire, then we have dragon, because Charizard is a dragon type Pokemon as far as my knowledge. Okay, so I will write these conditions. If type is fire, then I want fire. If type is dragon, then I want dragon. Okay, so let's go here to my card, and first type will be type. Okay, this is looking good. So what I will do, I will go to my home screen, and as you can see, I can't see the bottom half of this, so I will add style as padding bottom to be 20. Okay, maybe content style, no, so let's try to add here if it is possible, padding bottom 20. Okay, something is changed, I will add 50. Okay, So similarly, what I will do, I will just add one more 7. Okay, so I know that these icons or names are different, but that's how it is, because this is just a design and this is looking good, I think. We just have to add margin top to be 5. Yes, 5, 10 maybe. Okay, this is looking decent and slick. Okay, so let's go to my Pokedex and see this, guys. We almost did it. Home screen. Okay, so that's it for today, guys, and I hope you like this video, and next time we will do this screen. There are a bunch of screens, so next time we will do those screens. Okay, I think we just missed few pointers here, so let's try to address those pointers. First one is this background. I just completely forgot that. So I need background as image background. Import from assets, images, and pokeball card.png. So I will say pokeball card, and here I will add source as this pokeball card and width as width as 100, height as 100. So let's try and check. Okay, maybe I have to give style as width as 100, or maybe we can just give same style for now. You can see there this image, but I know this image is different, so I will say image background. So my question is simple: can we give 100%? Can we give height as 100%? maybe write 10. We can just say here resize mode cover. Let's go to my home screen and let's check what we did here. Resize mode contain. Wait a minute. Okay, so what is happening now is we are getting this image, but we want full image. Okay, so for that I will wrap this all over the view. Yes, like this. But where is the Pokemon? Okay, if I remove the absolute and everything part, you can see Pokemon here. Okay, now is this a margin or padding? I don't know. Let me just remove this. Okay. Okay, maybe I just have to okay, so I think we can say padding absolute. Can we say that? Yes, we can say that. Top -20, right 0. I think we don't need absolute now, maybe because right top. See, what we can do here is, this is my background style. Okay, so I will say, first of all I will say background color, not background color. I will say align atom to be flex end. Where did you go? Okay, width, because of width let's say, suppose if I say width is equal to 100, or maybe 200. Okay, everything because of width. Okay, got it. Align self flex end. Or justify content space between. Okay, this is well and good. Enter -30 here. height. Okay, so suppose if I say height. Okay, so we don't care about this now. $100. And yes, that's it. So because of what we are getting this much height? If I say height is equal to 100, width is equal to 100. That's it. Now let's remove this and launch app again, because I don't have idea why the height is too much, because I haven't fixed the height here. Okay, and now because of this we have height. Okay. So got it, why we have this much height. So the solution to that problem is simply simply like this: style padding 50. As simple as that. I know, minus 20, minus 10. Let's give this minus 10. And padding right to be 10. Padding right 10. Okay, I want this side padding. Okay, so how to get that padding? Okay, we can simply say padding right by 10. Yes, we can do that for you. Or we don't need that padding, but we need the image, this image or image container, to be right of 10. What right? Padding actually margin top and so you can say here like margin top minus 10, margin right 10, or margin left minus 10. Okay, that's what I wanted. Yes, it's almost done. Yes, now we want that this part. Okay, so let's try to add that dot card. So dot card will be here. Let's add this first and say dot card and we can say like dot cards. Again I will use the same image formula, and we use this image background, and we will close this here. So image background. Okay, so we need to give width and height. So I will say style width is equal to 100, height is equal to 100. Okay, so first of all, this is dot start. Okay, so because of we are giving height and width, so I want width to be 100%. My image will be outside of this, so wow. So we can say width divided by 3. Oh, sorry, not 3, width divided by 1.5. Not 1.5. Width divided by 2. Okay, and this height is too much, man. This is 20, 50, 18. 50 is, I think, okay, and I want this dots to be at the left side, means so how to do that? I want this to be the last, so I can say like this. Yes, it is okay, fine. Is that because of padding? Maybe. So for that I can say padding right is 0. So I don't want, because of that. Okay, it is okay, decent, looking good. If I say 14, then yes, it's looking good. So that's it for today, guys. If you want, then you can change some things, like because of those we want these things to be here, right? Not to be at background. So let me just give 1 minute, okay? I'm saying this almost. Let me just give the 1 minute to handle this. I will save you. source as dot cards, and we have style here and width 100, height 50. Okay, style I can say here as common style dot row, because I want to arrange this in a row. Okay, and I will remove this and I will only say flex direction row, because I don't want a line item to be center. Okay, so okay, if that's so, then can we do this position absolute? Sorry, absolute. Okay, right 0. Okay, I think my card is up to this only, or what? So let me just go ahead and change. I want to change my name to something related to Bulbasaur 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I got it. I will say width as width divided by 1.5 or 1.8. Yes, so it doesn't matter if it is Bulbasaur 1, 2, 3 or just a Bulbasaur. And we will have width as like that 40, and the top I can say 5 means okay. Ditto. Okay, I got it. This is looking awesome. Wait a minute. There is one problem. This is fire, okay. Then the icon should be fire. Icon. Icon should be fire icon. So why it is not fire icon? I just have to check fire.svg. I don't have any idea why this is not fire icon. Let me just check one more time. card, we are passing the type as a grass. This is type. This is type. Okay, I got it. I can name as type. So I just have to change things. And yes, this will result into this. Great. Okay, I think I can see now it is completed. The first screen is complete. If you want to improve, you can improve, and we will do next screens in our later videos. Okay, good night, have fun, bye.